Hey, we're in Lake Bled, Slovenia.
And behind us is Bled Island.
And there's a beautiful church on there we're going to go see in a little bit that was dedicated to the Virgin Mary.
The town of Bled is charming. There's a 6-kilometer path near the edge of the lake that allows you to walk all the way around the lake. You can swim and even do some paddleboarding on Lake Bled. Bled Castle is perched atop a cliff overlooking Lake Bled. It's a fairly steep climb to get to the castle, but the castle and the views are worth the muscle burn. Hey, hi, it's Keith and Tina. We're on top of Bled Castle.
And you can see in back behind us the island, and this is like the best view because we're at the highest point right now in Bled.
On the grounds of Bled Castle, there are many things to do. There's a small chapel to visit, a restaurant that overlooks the lake, and a wine cellar with tasting room. Also, there's a museum, a blacksmith shop, and a print shop. The only way to get to Bled Island is by boat. We got there by pletna, a traditional boat made by locals. An oarsman, a highly respected occupation in Bled, operates the boat. The title of pletna oarsman is handed down from generation to generation. Once on Bled Island, the first thing you have to do is climb the steep stairs. If you're really hot when you reach the top, you can grab an ice cream and sit and enjoy the view before venturing on. Most people coming to Bled Island want to visit the pilgrimage church to ring the bell. Legend has it that your prayers or your wish will be granted once you ring the bell. Only a 10-minute drive from Bled is Vintgar Gorge. The Vintgar Gorge is 1.6 kilometers long and it's a stunning natural sight. The gorge, created during the last ice age as glacial movements forced the crystal clear river waters to the northeast. The river slowly cut a path through the limestone rock. Apiary tourism, or bee tourism, is popular in Slovenia. As you can see, each beehive has painted panels. This traditional folk art dates back hundreds of years. This hive is a rescue. It was discovered in 2011, anchored to the outside of a large tree. It was not going to survive the harsh winter. In August of 2011, many beekeepers came together to rescue the swarm.
Okay, I'm at a bee, I can't forget what it's called, but it's This guy is he has bee nests, and right now I'm in what he calls, it's like a relaxation house. So I'm laying down, and right next to me is a window to all these bees. And so I have hives right next to me. There's also these air ducts to their hive. So between the odor that you can smell, the humming that these, thousands of bees, tens of thousands, actually hundreds of thousands of bees are doing, it's, I'm not quite relaxed yet. I'm a little freaked out because they're so close, and I'm not wearing the suit anymore, but the sound is kind of relaxing.
To complete your visit to Lake Bled, try the regional dessert, Bled cream cake.